What's going on everybody, welcome to the Data Studios. Today we're gonna be show you how to test your Wi-Fi speed. So go to your home screen and you need to find the settings on your device, and if you find it then tap on it. So here is my settings option and I'm tapping on it. Then go to your Wi-Fi section. Here is my Wi-Fi section and I'm again clicking on it. After turning on your Wi-Fi, find your Wi-Fi configuration name. Here is my Wi-Fi configuration name is Capsicum and I need to set my Wi-Fi, so click the arrow mark. After that you can be set or test of your Wi-Fi speed. So you need to find out the network's speed testing option. If you find it then tap on it. For testing your Wi-Fi speed, you need to click Start Testing option. Now you can see Wi-Fi testing speed processing is going on. Then after a few seconds, you will see your Wi-Fi speed result. So now we have just finished the testing process. Right now you can see my Wi-Fi testing speed result about network delay, download speed, upload speed, or anything etc, whatever. So that's it guys, that's how you can test your Wi-Fi speed. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like this more videos, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. See you guys on next video. Stay tuned with us. Tata.